So now let's see how internal links work inside of Evernote. So over here you can see that I have a note opened up, and I can get the internal link to this note by going around onto the three dot button right here. And over here you can see copy internal link is an option. So I can either copy an app link or a web link right here. If I were to copy out a web link, then I can go to a web browser. So I'm already signed in onto Evernote for this. So if I were to go around and then type that in, you can see that I seem to have been signed out right here. Let me just go around, continue, and sign back in right here. And what happens is that I directly get onto that particular note by using the link on the web right here. You can see that Evernote is here, and then it is accessing the exact note as I use this link. But if I were to go around over here, and let me just go around and copy internal link and copy the app link right here. Let me just go around onto home. And now let me just go around over here onto the browser again and right click and paste and access that particular link right here. Once I do that, it says a website wants to open this application. It does not actually redirect to the particular note for by using the link, but I can click on open Evernote, and what happens is that it opens out that particular link right here in the app right here, just like this. And that is how you can utilize the internal link. And you can copy out the link to open in the web version of Evernote, or utilize it in the application version of Evernote. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.